Hey guys, this smartphone is locked due to forgotten PIN pattern and password lock, and I am going to resetting this password in just only 2 minutes without any computer, without any software and without any kind of data loss. So let's start this video. You can see that my friends, this smartphone is locked due to forgotten password lock and PIN lock. Okay, so I have to take some important step here to remove all kind of password lock, pattern lock and with fingerprint sensor lock. Okay, so let's start this video. You can see that my friend, this is the mobile locking screen lock. Okay, and if you swipe up for this screen lock, you can see here mobile pattern password is activated now. So you don't worry, you have to click this emergency call option here, and after that click on the dialer pad. After that you have to enter a code which is I am going to see you, and this code is *899 and hash. And you can see that my friends, there are lots of options are lying here. So you have to find an option which named is manual test. You have to open this manual test option. After that go to the device debugging page. You can see here, and after that you have to find an option which is named gyroscope. Open this and click on the graph option here and wait for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, after that you have to click on the back button here, and after that again click on the back button here and go to the last page which belongs to other by swiping it. Okay, and you can see that there are totally 5 options here, and you have to work in these options very carefully. So first of all, you have to click on the main boot version for 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After that after completing this process, you have to click on the read write important logs test option for 3 times. When you click on the first time, you have to ask to confirm it, but you don't have to confirm it. Click on the cancel button here, and you have to repeat the same process for 2 times again. Second time also click on the cancel button, but in the third time you have to click on the OK button, not cancel button. Okay, when you click the OK button, you can see that your mobile password has gone to the resetting mode. After that you have to click on the key status option, and after a lagging, you can see that my friends, here all the keys are passed. It means your PIN pattern password lock is completely unlocked. And for verification purpose, if you click on the home button here, you can see that my friends, your mobile is completely unlocked and there is no any kind of data loss of your smartphone. In this way you can unlock all Android smartphone at your home. If your mobile is still not unlocked from this method, in that case you can comment us by subscribe our YouTube channel. Our team will definitely reply to your comment in just only 2 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock any Android smartphone. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.